dear students, in previous lecture we study about the in a first lesson like fraction, comparing like fraction, in second lesson comparing unit fraction, and in a third lesson equivalent fraction. So you know that how we understand, how we solve the examples about comparing like fraction, comparing unit fraction and equivalent fraction. So already you know that what is meant by like fraction. Suppose here we give the two examples 3 by 4 and 2 by 4. Okay. In these examples the 3 and 2, these are the numerators. N-U-M-E-R-A-T-O-R. This is called the numerator, and 4 and this 4 are called the denominator. D-E-N-O-M-I-N-A-T-O-R. Denominator. Okay. Or in this example their two denominators are the same. Their two denominators are the 4, and therefore this type of examples are called the like fraction. Are you understand what is mean by like fraction? Yes. Today we revise about the what is mean by like fraction. Okay. So my dear students, today we study about the lesson number 4. Our lesson name is solving word problems. Okay. So my dear students, first of all I read it, listen carefully and study in the book. In real life we come across quantities of weight, capacity, length and time that have been expressed as a fraction. आपण आपल्या लाईफ मध्ये बघतो काही वेट असेल, कॅपॅसिटी असेल, लेंथ असेल, टाइम असेल, हे जे काही थिंग्स आहेत हे थिंग्स काय करतात फ्रॅक्शन मध्ये काउंट केले जातात. Suppose here give the example 1/4 kg of rice, 3/4 liters of petrol. Many times we need to compare these quantities. Let us see some examples. So here give the examples. Okay. So we directly solve the lesson because for the good understanding. हे examples read केल्याने आपल्याला समजण्यापेक्षा जेव्हा आपण स्वतः लेसन सॉल्व करू तेव्हा ऑब्वियसली आपल्या लक्षात येईल. So let's start. We start the lesson number 4. In a fourth lesson, solving word problem, block number 9, comparing fractions. So first example, please all students see on a blackboard with a concentration. Maya jogs for 1/3 hours each day, and Shailaja jogs for 2/6 hours each day. Who jogs for more number of hours each day? Here ask the question. Question is Mayank jogs for 1/3 hours each day. Mayank प्रत्येक दिवशी 1/3 hours काय करतो? जॉगिंग करतो. शैलजा jogs for 2/6 hours each day. जी शैलजा आहे तो प्रत्येक दिवशी 2/6 hours इतकं जॉगिंग करते. Who jogs for more number of hours each day? मग यातला कोण मयंक जास्त जॉगिंग करते की शैलजा जास्त वेळ जॉगिंग करते? Okay. So we let's start how we solve this example. So already you know that here compare these two means that the comparison between Mayank and Shailaja. Okay. इथं काय केलेलं आहे मयंक 1/3 जॉब करतो आणि शैलजा 2/6 करते. तर या दोघांचं काय केलं आहे कंपॅरिझन केलेलं आहे आणि ते विचारतात की दोन्हीतलं कुठलं जास्त आहे. तर इथं आपण कसं घेणार एक्झाम्पल हियर वी नीड टू कंपेअर हियर वी need to compare. इथे काय केलेलं आहे आपल्याला कंपेअर करण्याची गरज आहे. So therefore fractions are हे साइन कसं काय therefore fractions are 1/3 and 2/6. ओके. कोणकोणते फ्रॅक्शन्स आहेत 1/3 आणि 2/6 आहे. So therefore 1/3 is equal to 1 multiplied by 2 divided by 3 multiplied by 2. The answer is 2. 2 1s are 2. 3 2s are 6. So 2/6 is equal to 2/6. So these two fractions are the same. So we write these two fractions These two fractions. So these two fractions are the same. Therefore, Mayank and Shailaja jobs for same time. Okay. So my dear students, please write down this example in your notebook. And today's homework of subject maths. Solve the question number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7 and send me with the WhatsApp. Okay, thank you.